Hi, I'm Darius Grant, and I'm here with my helper,
Darius Grant Jr.
If you're new to our channel,
welcome.
Here you'll find DIY inspiration for your next project. In this video, we're going to show you how we installed peel and stick tile in a diamond pattern to create our foyer.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up.
Subscribe to our channel and share with your family and friends. And remember, you can DIY too. These are the before and after pictures of our foyer after we installed the tiles in a diamond shape pattern. This part of the flooring is why we had to update this area. This particular tile caught our eye and it was on clearance.
We had to choose the right tile.
So we chose the 18 by 18 inch tiles because we could use less tiles and we just wanted to try it out. We laid out the tiles to compare the stack pattern to the diamond pattern. We started by removing the quarter round. Then we removed the wood to create the foyer area. The reason we had to get this up was because we had to get a new door. They put this down like it was supposed to be there forever. My wife wanted to get in on this action.
My mom was working really hard.
She told me this is one way of how she relieves her stress. The professionals who installed the door repaired the frame.
I liked when we picked out our new door.
We were pleased with how the door looked, so now it was time to purchase the underlayment. We glued the underlayment to the floor to create an even surface.
I was shaking up foam insulation.
We used it to fill in the gaps by the door before we laid in the tiles.
That looks satisfying.
We scraped off and removed all of the excess foam. We put the first tile in the center of the foyer against the transition because it's the most visible tile, and it was placed at a 45-degree angle.
We're getting ready to peel the tile. At first, it was kind of hard for me to peel. After a while, I got the hang of it. like helping you, Dad.
You helped me out a lot, and I really appreciated it.
It was fun working together.
I had to use the spacers when cutting the tile to make sure they didn't cross over the threshold. For the corners, we did something a little different. We cut them at an angle to fill the space. They didn't disrupt the pattern as a whole.
It's time to grout.
We use diagonal swipes to fill in the gaps when grouting. Some tiles didn't stay stuck to the underlayment, so we used an adhesive.
Our lines turned out great.
The diamond pattern made our created foyer appear wider. We were pleased with the final look. If you'd like to see more videos like these, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.